Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Alexa. So today I am going to be doing a video that's basically like all things summer. I am going on vacation tomorrow and I am packing last minute, of course. So I'm gonna just take you guys along with me packing. I'm kind of inspired because last year I went to Barbados. Don't forget to give me a big thumbs up. Make sure to subscribe if you haven't already. Ring that notification bell so that you know when I'm uploading my next video. I finally got back from being out. I went to get a wax and I did my nails. I haven't had tips in forever. So I got coral and I got my toes done because they were looking busted. So I am all brand new. I usually get my eyebrows done too, but I got them done pretty recently, so I'm just gonna go ahead and tweeze all the new growns. I'll do a skincare routine tonight when I shower. I did put a mask in my hair this morning, which was by Wedod, and I'm gonna rinse it out and throw another one in just to kind of really prepare my hair for the chlorine, the sun, and just being protected against being really dry. So I kind of want to give it some moisture and repair it. So that's in my hair currently. I'm gonna rinse that out. Next, I'm going to go in with Wedod's Curl Recovery Mask. I've used both of these masks before. I will be doing a Mask Monday video on these, so stay tuned for those. This is actually a cruise. I've never been on a cruise before. I don't like people telling me when to leave, when I have to do certain things, and having itinerary for me, because I like to plan my own day. But it was cheaper and all these other things, so it definitely fit with where I'm at in life right now. I didn't want to do anything too crazy yet. I'm definitely planning that for my 25th birthday, hopefully. So at least I get to experience them minimally, and that'll make my decision easier for where I want to plan my next vacation to. Alright, so I am in my bathroom right now. I'm gonna get some stuff out my closet. What I need from here is basically all hair things necessary. Probably bringing my Dyson dryer, scrunchies, hair wrap. I need my bonnet, my Denman brush. I don't know if they'll all fit in here, but usually I bring this clear bag just so I can see everything. So I'll pack everything in here. And then for my makeup, the very little that I'm bringing, I'm gonna try to squeeze in there, or I'll put in a separate little baggie. I may bring this. It's clear, it's cute, it's pretty big. Yeah, I'm gonna do that and then I'll quickly review with you guys what I picked out. Alright, so I came out the bathroom. I took most of the things I need. So in here I have a whole bunch of brushes. You know, I need my Denman brush to wash my hair, clips to separate my hair, if I had an edge brush, and then just a smoothing brush. So if I have a bun or something, I have a sleek look. On top of this in here, I'm gonna throw in my toothpaste. I brought a toothbrush. So in this little one, I'm gonna put all my skincare stuff. I brought some makeup wipes. This is Clinique's Take the Day Off wipes. Love, love, love these. I love this stuff. It never looks like I'm wearing makeup. This is my go-to. Like, I don't put concealer, I don't put foundation, whatever. This tinted moisturizer is the truth. So I'm bringing some powder. This is from Clinique as well. Clinique's Uplighting Illuminator. This is the Moisture Surge by Clinique. Gotta bring some lip gloss. The two masks I chose to bring: Too Faced Bronzed Peach. It's basically lemongrass and some other ingredients. So if I do get bit, this is what I'll be using. I've never been on a cruise, like I said, so I bought Dramamine because a girl was telling me that one of her friends went on a cruise and she got seasick and it ruined her trip. So I was like, maybe that's a sign from God. Let me bring this. I have been on boats before, which are way more shaky, I'm assuming, than a cruise boat, but I'm going to be on there for a longer period of time, so it's better to be safe than sorry. Summer's Eve is every girl's best friend. In the summer, you like to stay fresh down there. This is a must-have, Clinique's After Sun Rescue Balm with Aloe. Definitely worth it. Just throw it in the bag. Buy it if you're going away. Dove soap. So that's it in terms of like essentials. I'm gonna show you guys what I bought in terms of clothes. And so yeah, next, moving over, let me just tell you guys, Aerie from American Eagle, I love their swimwear. If you have a little more oomph up here, they have cup sizes, so double D's, triple D's. On the cruise, what do you really wear? Vacation, what do you really wear? You'll see people like on Instagram and stuff. I'm like, how the hell do you dress up every day on vacation? Like, I'm trying to be naked. Swimsuit, that goes with me. That's my style. I need a bunch of them then. So, welcome to my drum. I'm showing you guys what I'm bringing. So these are new. I did actually wear this one day, but I'm gonna bring it with me. So this is a one piece that I got. This is sexy. This is more cheeky. Sun's out, buns out. Okay, so from preventing this from being super long, I'm just going to show you some of the things I purchased, whether it was for the trip or summer in general. I'm just going to show you those pieces, but I'm not going to go through everything I'm packing because that would take way too long. I had put a poll up on my Instagram and people said they didn't like this, so I'm going to try it on again with the right bra and everything and see if I like the way it fits. This is a jumpsuit. I gotta wear them one time. They're like pineapple earrings. I brought these at the Hue Affair from Purple Sky. So that's basically the stuff that I've bought. I'm gonna go ahead and start packing. I'm gonna bring out all my shorts and stuff and figure out what I wanna wear. I'm gonna try on stuff. That's just gonna take too long for the video. I love to clean. I had put that on my Instagram too as a poll, like who likes to clean before they go or just take care of it after when they come back. And most people put to clean before they go, and that's definitely me because I hate coming back and feeling stressed out, and clutter makes me feel stressed out, so I'm like, ugh. So I'm happy at least I got this done. I cleaned my bathroom, it's all organized, laundry is put away, I did everything in my hamper, so I'm happy. I vacuumed my drugs. So I was pretty successful on my other day off. I did work the past 2 days. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys when I get back from vacation. Let me know down below what your essentials are for when you pack. If there's things that you feel are a necessity, things you don't think people should be bringing on vacation that you see a lot of people bring. Snacks, do you bring games? Like, what do you bring when you go on vacation? What does vacation mean to you? Do you do your nails? Do you do your eyebrows? Like, what do you get done? I know I have curly hair, so I never do my hair before going on vacation. Some people get like their hair blown out and all this stuff. When I go on vacation, I'm in the pool and I'm putting my head in the water. I'm in the ocean, my head is in the water. So there's no need for me to do my hair. It's just managing my curly hair and making sure it's not dry, it's not breaking. So for my curly headed people, what do you do? What products do you use when you're on vacation? Let me know down below. If you're going on vacation, let me know where you're going, what islands you're going to, if you're going to Europe. I'm so excited to hear what you guys have to say. So definitely do not forget to drop it down below in the comments. I will see you guys in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to hit that like, subscribe, and notification bell so that you know when I'm uploading my next video. I'll see you guys then. Bye.